Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Telegram and tapping the three-line menu, then go to Settings and choose Data and Storage. This is where Telegram centralizes network behavior, so you reach the controls fast. Make sure you're on the device you want to limit, phone or tablet, because Data Saver applies per client. Once there, you'll see mobile, roaming, and Wi-Fi options. This initial step puts you exactly where you change how media downloads and call quality consume your plan. You now toggle Data Saver on and select whether it applies to mobile, roaming, or Wi-Fi connections. Why? Because that controls when Telegram reduces bandwidth for you. Next, adjust automatic media download rules. Disable or restrict videos and large files on mobile, allow photos on Wi-Fi only. Make sure to lower call quality or enable limits so voice and video calls use less data. Once configured, Telegram will defer heavy downloads until you're on preferred networks. To finish, inspect per chat exceptions and turn off any overrides that allow large downloads, then optionally disable background data for Telegram in your OS settings. Once done, test by sending a photo or placing a brief call to confirm lower usage. If you still see high consumption, restart the app and check system-level background data limits, or clear Telegram cache to remove pending downloads. This troubleshooting step usually resolves lingering transfers and enforces the new Data Saver behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.